The brave little turtle.
Once upon a time, in a peaceful pond, there lived a small and timid turtle named Timmy. Timmy was always afraid to go beyond his little cozy place in the pond. Timmy observed other animals in the pond, but was not ready to leave his place to explore the world. But one day, a wise old frog named Freddie hopped onto a nearby lily pad and noticed Timmy's fear.
Timmy, my young friend, it's natural to feel scared, but sometimes the greatest adventures lie just beyond our fears.
Inspired by Freddie's wisdom, Timmy gathers his courage and decides it's time to explore the world beyond his place in the pond. As Timmy moves further, he meets different animals and marvels at the beauty of the pond.
Hi, I am Timmy.
Hi, I am Jim, and these are my friends Sarah and Johnny.
Hi, I am Tina.
Hi, I am Timmy.
Along his journey, Timmy meets a group of young ducks waddling nearby.
Hey, little turtle. Come join us on our grand journey. We're exploring new territories.
Oh, I'm not sure.
Don't be afraid. We'll show you the way.
Oh, okay. Let's go.
Timmy takes courage and decides to join the ducks. Together, they started on a great adventure. Timmy realized that he is much braver and capable than he ever thought possible. Timmy confidently navigated challenges and helped the ducks along the way. As their journey comes to an end, Timmy returns to his peaceful corner of the pond, forever changed. He has now become an inspiration to other timid turtles in the pond. Timmy shows them that bravery and resilience lie within each of them. With Timmy's guidance, the timid turtles begin to venture out, discovering the wonders that await them. And so, Timmy's bravery becomes a ripple of courage, inspiring all who encounter his story. Remember, sometimes the greatest adventures begin when we face our fears and step outside our comfort zones.
The helpful squirrel.
In a charming forest filled with tall trees and playful animals, lived a squirrel named Sammy. Sammy was a friendly and helpful squirrel. He loved helping other animals in the forest. One day, Sammy sees his friend Rosie the rabbit crying.
Rosie, what's wrong? How can I help?
I'm lost, Sammy. I don't know how to find my way home.
Sammy climbs a tree and leaps from branch to branch, searching for known landmarks. Determined to help Rosie, Sammy starts on a mission to find her burrow and sees the burrow at a distance. Sammy leads Rosie back home to her burrow.
Sammy, you're truly a helpful squirrel. Thank you.
It's what friends do. I'm always here to help.
Word of Sammy's kind heart and willingness to assist others quickly spreads throughout the forest. Sammy meets wise Owl Oliver, who invites him for a conversation.
Sammy, I've heard tales of your helping nature. But do you know the secret to true happiness?
I'm not sure, Wise Owl Oliver. What is the secret?
Oliver leans closer and whispers to Sammy. Oliver reveals the secret to true happiness, helping others without expecting anything in return. Sammy's eyes widen with realization.
So, true happiness comes from selfless acts of kindness.
Exactly, Sammy. By focusing on the needs of others, you create a world filled with kindness and joy.
So, Sammy dedicates himself to helping others, and the forest animals began learning to help others like how Sammy did. Inspired by Sammy's example, the forest was full of love and support. Animals began working together, sharing their skills and resources. The forest was filled with love, reminding everyone that a little act of kindness can have a long-lasting impact. Spread kindness and make the world a happier place. Hope you liked both the stories. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to ABC Kids Fun channel for more videos. Bye!